All right, so in this video, I'm going to explain my day-to-day working as a IT help desk person. Before we continue speaking, let me first introduce myself. My name is Ario DeJuiced from Juicy Tech YouTube channel. Comment, like, and share. Hit the bell notification. Of course, subscribe if you enjoy the content, not just this video, but content on this channel. If you enjoy, support by subscribing, and you're all set. Last but not least, last announcement, special thank you and big shout outs to our good friends and supporters at coursecareers.com. If you're looking to join the tech space, working in whatever type of job title, IT, software engineering, project management, these jobs are paying between $50,000 to 6 figures plus. This is still a possibility in 2024, even with all these tech layoffs and all this stuff that's going on. I still encourage people to join the tech space because it's a great job to work, or great jobs to work. Earning some really good money in this day and age. So for more information about Course Careers, it is an online training program. That's what it is. If you're interested, the more information down below about that, and you're all set. So again, my day-to-day right now, working in IT, I've done multiple videos about this, and I do see myself doing more. I think videos like this helps a lot of people because it's helped me a lot, and I guess I'm just trying to like share the information just to kind of keep this going on where people are looking for information about this industry or this job title. And I hope content like this does help you, and you do seek and you do gain value from watching or consuming this content. I just hope it benefits you in some kind of way, shape, or form. So that's the whole point of this video or this channel, is to put out great information to help out the next person, whatever way possible. So I'll make this a quick video. My day-to-day, like I said in previous videos, I basically monitor a ticketing system. We use a system called Zendesk. It's almost, I don't want to say it's industry standard, but this is not my first IT job. I've worked for other employers as a contractor, and believe it or not, they were also using Zendesk as well to manage their tickets, to manage the to just manage problems within the company. So for example, someone may have issues with their computer system, needs to be whatever, something, and maybe it's just slow, whatever. They'll create a ticket, and they submit it to it comes to us once they submit the ticket, and this is how we're able to manage, you know, different issues from people who have submitted those tickets. Whatever issue possible, IT related, only IT related issues we receive. So again, a lot of troubleshooting, problem solving, swapping out cables, onboarding, different projects they may you may be assigned to you know, to do. Brain fart. It's Monday, so please forgive me. But yeah, that's what I do. That's my day-to-day, is to manage the ticket system. That's pretty much like 95% of my job duties here, is to monitor the ticketing system, because that's where that's where you kind of know what to do in terms of working. Figure out what's a high priority ticket and what's not. Sometimes we receive tickets from our VPs, so it could be a CEO, a CIO, CTO, and they're pretty much on the top of the list as high priority, which means stop what you're doing and go see that person or people ASAP. Maybe they're having a meeting and the audio is going, it just went out. Maybe something needs to be updated, something's broken basically, and these are the VPs, the CEOs of the company, so they need to get back to work or their meetings ASAP. That's like, almost like, it's just high priority. Go see them right now and get to work. So that's why it's important to watch the ticket system, is to watch out if the higher ups need our assistance. Another high priority, I guess, group of people or department may be the sales team. And let's not get this twisted. Everyone's important here. I'm not here to make it seem like who's you know, God, who's more of a priority, who's not. It is what it is. A lot of times, you know, someone may put in the ticket for an application where I'm just trying to make sense. Maybe they need like a password reset. A lot of times that can wait compared to a meeting that's being held, and people need to talk to each other via Microsoft Teams or whatever they're using to communicate. And again, let's say the audio just went out. They need to have that meeting, and that's a really important meeting a lot of times. So that needs to be handled first before someone's password reset that works in tech support or customer service. I'm not saying they're not important. Of course they are, but that can wait compared to the VPs needing our assistance for a lot of times meetings. Again, everyone's important here. I want to say that very much. Everyone's important, but there are priorities and low priorities. A lot of times someone's computer monitors went out. That's, to me, a low priority. Maybe they can wear a headset for now to do what they need to do, so the monitors can wait. You know what I mean? So stuff like that is how I'm able to, know what's a focus, or more of a focus, and what's less of a focus. Hope that makes sense. But that's pretty much my day-to-day, literally, is to watch the ticketing system. I even have it on my phone and my smartwatch in case someone submits a ticket, and I'm able to see exactly what time it came in, who's this from. I know what's going on. Like, I'm in the loop. So very convenient, and I like that the company allows us to do such a thing. Have the ticketing system on our smartphones or our wearables. So very convenient. I could be on break and not see what's going on via my smartwatch or my smartphone. Awesome. But that's what my job does consist throughout the entire day, is monitoring the ticketing system. There's other tasks, obviously, that's given to me. One of them would be onboarding. A lot of new employees or hires need their computers to be set up. So they need all the proper applications, all the proper components, mouse, keyboards, maybe 2 monitors or 3 screens, a docking station most likely. Just set them up ready to start working. So that's something we do a lot here, is onboarding, or that's something I do a lot, is onboarding. There's other tasks or projects. One of the projects right now is we hired a bunch of people to work remotely, and again, we need to set up their computer systems, which is onboarding, get that stuff ready, set up the computer where we make sure the computer is in the domain, our domain, make sure that's that's in there, track the actual unit, make sure we put in the right, again, softwares or whatnot. I won't tell you what we use, but we have specific systems to track the device so we can troubleshoot it later if something goes wrong. So stuff like that we just set up, make sure we give them their credentials to log into whatever application they need to access. I won't tell you what we use all the way, maybe one day, but just set up the computer and have it ready to be shipped out to that user wherever they are. So that's another thing we do a lot here, but it is a form of onboarding, but that's something we do here a lot, is get the computer systems ready for remote workers, obviously. There's more job duties. There's a lot, right? But the main one is to watch the ticketing system. That's my main focus throughout the day. Other tasks are being given to me, but watch the ticketing system at all times while you're here at work. So that's pretty much my day-to-day, literally, is that. We do receive phone calls from users. I'm pointing this way because my job is right there, the actual building. So that's why I'm pointing that way. But users also contact us via not just email, but they can call us. They can also, of course, chat. Chat. So call, chat, email is how they contact us with the ticketing system. Sometimes it can be something so urgent where they have to call us directly, and again, stop what you're doing, go see that person because they really need you if they're calling you. You know what I mean? So that's something we do here a lot, and that's something I have to watch out for, are those things: phone calls, chat, all that. There's more. There's a lot more. Some of the common issues we see here a lot are password resets, printer issues, network failure issues, the servers may be down. I do also work with the cyber security analyst person, our system engineers, and our network engineers. Sometimes I would help them with whatever projects they have, system engineer related issues. I sometimes do help out with that. Something easy, I'll help out as much as I can. Same thing for your cybersecurity people and your system engineers. They may need me to go inside the server room and patch whatever that needs to be patched. So, for example, we have these things called, hope I said this right, patch panels and switches. And I can't really describe what they look like, but it's just these like this rack of different components, and you're patching from one port to another port to troubleshoot basically. Sometimes maybe someone's Ethernet port in their office is it working, so we would use different devices to see if that port if it works. We'll plug in a device, and we're able to read that port, hope I'm making sense, in the server room once we're able to track it in whatever port that's assigned to that room. I hope I'm making sense. But basically, we're patching in different ports to fix problems, whoever's asking for problems, whoever has problems. Hope that makes sense. But that is pretty much my day-to-day, are those things. There's more, but I'm not gonna make this a long video. But just keep in mind, your day-to-day as an IT help desk is to watch the ticketing system. That's pretty much what you'll be doing all the time. And again, some of the common issues you'll see are password resets, printer issues, troubleshooting computers, monitors may be going black, or maybe the cables need to be swapped out, HDMI cables, DB ports. Some people are using VGA cables, which is crazy to me, but sometimes those are some of the common issues you'll see here a lot, are those things. Password resets are a very, very common thing here, what I see in IT help desk throughout whatever company I have worked for. So yeah, mouthful, a lot of information. Hope this makes sense. Again, comment, like, and share. Subscribe if you like this channel, the videos here. Hope you did. Hope it does benefit you and you gain value from these types of videos that I put out. And I'm just here to assist as much as I can. Everything is down below, the information that I did announce to you earlier. Again, any questions, let me know. I'm ready to assist. Much love to you. Let me get back to work and have an awesome day. Peace out.